Good morning guys. So today is 16 November I think, and I have a lot of things to get done. But now I have my classes, so first we'll attend the classes, then we're going to go out and run some errands and just have fun. So guys, my classes are now over and I got some stuff from Amazon, so let's open it up. First thing that I got is a pair of jeans. This is the denim jeans that I got, and this is from Bare Denim. So yeah, it's a really nice quality pair of jeans. Now the next thing that I got is a pair of kurta pajama because it is festive season and I have a wedding at my home. So this is the pajama that I got. Along with it I got this kurta. This is all black because I love black color and it fits me really well. The next thing, I got some jewelry again because it is festive season and you need some jewelry, right? So it's here in this box. This is the first one that I got, and this is the second one. Okay, the packet is a bit torn. The third one, so it was like a combo, so I got this. Next packet, these are biker shorts that I got. This one is navy and then this one is nude. This is the color that I wear the most, so I got that. And then this is another box that I got. Is inside of the box. You can see this is such a beautiful piece of jewelry. And then this is the third piece of jewelry that is inside of that. These are supposed to be earrings. So I'll leave the link to all the items in the description box below as always, and thank you My Haul Store. Now we'll go and wear a different pair of pants other than these pajamas that I'm wearing because I have to go to the bank first, ATM to be honest, and then I have to get a suit tailored for myself. So let's go. Hey guys, so I am currently I've given my code for tailoring or whatever I call it. I don't know. It's my first time that I'm getting a coat, not goat. I wish it was a goat. Yeah, I just did that. Cheers. Guys, I am in the car now and I have given my suit for tailoring as I told you before, and also I got the card thing out of the way which I had to go to the ATM for, but I hate my bank so much. It never ever works out well. My favorite aisle, the food aisle. We have Maggie, lots of Maggie, but today I am buying chocos. I don't know which one to buy, the big one or like these small packets, so a little bit confused. Only if I was this confused in making my life decisions. I would be better off in life. This one or this one? This one, because it is much cooler. It has moon and stars. My absolutely favorite section. I'll just get like some kurkure because why not? Let's go. Hey guys, so I just like filmed a video and now I have to like make some part of that video, so I have to write the script for that. So I'll just do that, but here's all like the stuff that is kept here. So yeah, it's a lot of mess. I have to clean this up as well, and yeah, it's just a lot of mess. Guys, the script is written and I'll just like film the video, so I'll show you how the script actually looks like when I write it. I was writing the script, it was actually something like this. This one had like a voice note attached as well. So guys, I'll just like clean up the stuff, all the makeup and stuff, and I'll remove my makeup and make the skincare video that is left. So let's get to it. So guys, I got this like makeup remover pack last time, so I'll just remove my makeup. So now that my face is all clear, what I'm going to do is I'm going to wash my face. First, tying your hair is important, so face. Just washed my face. All of the makeup that I put on my face is out now, but I don't know why whenever someone puts makeup, the brown or the black thing just like never ever goes. So you can see like a little black. I don't know, is it just me or does it happen? It is currently 9:45 and I got some Burger King delivery because it was my cousin's birthday, so I got him like this Burger King. So I got it for myself as well. This is the first time I'm trying the volcano what is this, volcano crunchy volcano taco. So I've actually never tried a hard shell taco in my life. Let's try it out. It's the hard shell taco vegetarian. You know what this tastes like? The shell actually tastes like the patty that you eat. You know, patties, the aloo patties, it tastes like that. I mean, it's nothing special to be honest. So if you're expecting like a full-fledged taco, don't get this. And if you want like a snack, you can have it, because like literally they don't have any lettuce inside of this. If you look inside of it, it's just basically empty and just smushed together in the center. Also got the classic burger, which is the crispy veg. This is my favorite. I only like the most famous things from most famous places. I always get that because they're always freshly made and very good. guys, that is all for this video. I really hope you like it. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and follow me on my Instagram and Twitter. And I'll see you guys in my next video now. Bye bye.